The dream of owning land is dying in the cities, but it's wide open in the high desert. 1.16 acres of pure freedom in Concho, Arizona. No HOA, no neighbors, no red tape. Located in Sholo Pines, this isn't just a flat patch of dirt. You've got actual mountain views and mature juniper trees for natural privacy. You're minutes from thousands of acres of state land. If you hunt, hike, or ride, this is your permanent base camp. And unlike most cheap land, you actually have road access via County Road 8117. You can drive a truck, a trailer, or an RV straight to your property line. For the future builder and prepper. Agriculture general zoning means freedom. Build your off-grid dream or keep it as your tactical retreat. For the ATVer and hunter, use this as your staging ground. Hit the trails at sunrise and have your own private spot to park when the day is done. For the shooter, stop paying range fees. On your land, you set the rules. Train in peace and total privacy. For the investor, at just $36 a year in taxes and 0% interest, this is a land bank play that beats any savings account. We make it easier to buy land than it is to buy a new iPhone. Zero interest, no credit checks, low down payment and low monthly fee. That's it. Still on the fence? We offer a 90-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year exchange policy. If you don't love it, we'll swap it for another lot or give your money back. 1.16 acres of Arizona is waiting for you. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to lock this lot down before someone else does.